AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing overall is going to be that I finally saw the first break taking place with AMC, and even pre-market is just kind of solidifying my point. I would appreciate it if it just opens higher, then, you know, we have a pretty big discrepancy between where we were and how we broke structure, and then it's not going to be an immediate buy. I would much rather just wait for the pull down and then a break above that pull down. That's rules. Now, I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I've documented it all. It's all on my YouTube channel. It's not just that I'm just like yapping about it, but that's why I'm saying, if I would have coming out here, again, listen, you can do whatever you want. I'm just saying I'm sticking to my rules because that's what I've refined over 5 years. Time and time again. And not only that, I've spent like tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors that you don't have to. And with that in mind, if I don't see that happening, I guess it's not going to be Monday. Maybe Monday we're going to see this pump up. But I'll be just patient, and you know, you can do whatever you want. I myself have so many receipts in the Discord regarding AMC. And if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.